Hi, my name is Pat Van Abel, and I am founder and co-owner of Badger Sports Park. We are pleased to announce our new Leadership Development Program. This is a professional team building series that is held at Badger Sports Park. The Leadership Development Program that we offer is called Winning the Hearts and Minds of Your Team. It is a half-day workshop that is hosted at Badger. 5 years ago, we were introduced to a principle called servant leadership by our friends at Festival Foods. Through much practice and application, we were able to change the way that we operate, the way that we handle our relationships internally and externally. And it has been a huge benefit for our company and ourselves as individuals. The spirit of the program is to open eyes, challenge current practices, and improve relationships. You start to learn about the principles and the foundation of servant leadership, how you can get feedback, and most importantly, the friction, how you go about changing. The foundation portion of the Servant Leadership Workshop is a 45 to 1 hour PowerPoint presentation where we do look for feedback from the participants. There is also many different resources that we can provide both during the workshop and afterwards to help people better understand these principles. The feedback part of the program can be more physical in nature. That can be done through our laser tag team building and the physical team building exercises that we can hold in our sport turf area. The friction portion of the leadership workshop is going to come in not only getting the feedback, which is sometimes painful, it is where people talk about their own strengths and weaknesses to the group, to their superior in the organization. That's done through our leadership skills inventory. The friction portion of the leadership workshop is where the change really occurs. And this is done through sometimes getting painful feedback, and it's also done through positive reinforcement, where people are rewarded for good behavior. And that is one of the underlying principles of servant leadership. How we behave matters. One of the most important things of servant leadership is that the senior leadership in your organization will be a champion of this effort. As we cover in the workshop, this is not something that you check. You never arrive in leadership. It's not a box that gets checked that says this business is finished. It's always unfinished business. You can come and spend a great half day with us, but it's what you do beyond that. We do offer a lot of resources after the workshop is over. We'll give you more resources and then continually prod you along your servant leadership journey, challenging your thinking and your current practices. Some of the reasons why an organization would consider this would be the red flags that you're going to see within your organization. That poor team member morale, low engagement, high turnover, you'll know your own red flags. And as those start to pop up, a lot of times we have to look at how are we cultivating the relationships in our organization? How are we challenging the people that work for us? Are the standards known? Are they held to those standards? Are they rewarded when they meet those standards? But most importantly, the number one failure of leadership is conflict avoidance, where people see standards not being met and they turn their head the other way. So it is our belief that unhealthy relationships equals unhealthy business. Before we have your group come in, we'll send you a questionnaire to identify what your current challenges are, what your strengths are, so we can better customize the package for you when you guys come out. In our half-day program, we will touch on this and much more. If you'd like to learn more about our professional team building series, please call us or visit us at our website. We look forward to hearing from you and working with you in our leadership development workshop.